So the title of the experiment we are doing today is Pendulum Bulb Experiment. That is the title. And the aim of our experiment is to determine the maximum oscillation of the pendulum bulb. When we say oscillation, we're talking about the movement, how fast and at what time can that pendulum bulb complete the full oscillation. That is what we want to determine this morning. So remember, we look at different types of motion. Look at random motion, linear motion, and the oscillation motion, and what? Circular motion. So this one is under oscillatory motion, the to and fro movement. That is what you are going to notice today. The to and fro movement of the pendulum bulb. That is what you are going to notice today. So let me quickly read the instructions for you. You are provided the pendulum bulb, the string, rotor stand and clamp. 1. Suspend the bulb from the rotor stand such that the bulb just touches the floor. 2. The point of suspension to the floor L equal to 1.5 meter to be kept constant throughout the experiment. 3. Reduce the length of the pendulum with h equals 20 cm as shown in the diagram above. Then in this position, displace the bulb and record time t for 20 oscillations. 5. Hence, determine the period t of oscillation. 6. Record your value of h, t, capital T and t square. Then repeat the experiment for h equals 40, 60, 80 and 100 cm. In each case, record the corresponding value of t, and t square. Then number 10. Plot the graph of h against t square. Then determine the slope s of the graph and the intercepts on the vertical axis. 12. State the precautions you took to ensure accurate results. Then we have the B part. So this is just the instruction. So if you check your table, we have the complete apparatus on your table. We have the rotor stand and the clamp. So this is the rotor stand and clamp. We are using thread instead of pendulum bulb. This is pendulum bulb. This is a meter rule, the one you will use to measure the length of your thread. And we have the stopwatch. So this is your stopwatch. This is the stopwatch we will use to calculate the time at which your pendulum bulb completes 20 oscillations. So that is what we check. Your stopwatch is 0.00. When you want to start, you are pressing this side that you see start and stop there. Are you seeing it? You see start and stop. So when you want to start taking your measurement, you press start. So once you press start, it will start. Then when you are done with the 20 oscillation, the same place you stop it. Once you stop it, you take down the time. If you want to take another one, you come to this reset. There's reset here. So when you press the reset, you come back to 00. Then you start again, you stop like that. So that is how stopwatch. With the rest. So if you check the manual, the first length we have there is 100 centimeter. Yes, we are using 100 centimeter. 1.5 meter is constant. That is the distance from here to the floor should be 1.5 meter. That is what they said. Distance from here to the floor should be 1.5 meter. So if you check it, the other part should be 50 centimeter. So that is 1.5 meter. So the distance is 1.5 meter. So what we do? The length of this rope is 150 centimeter. This rope is 150 centimeter. So first, you will tie your rope to the pendulum bulb. Tie your rope to your pendulum bob. So I said we are starting with 100 centimeters. So you use your ruler to take 100 centimeter measurement, starting from where your bob is. So at that point, that is where you want to tie it. There's no space there now. There's no ink. Okay, so the table is already there for you, so you just copy that table. Don't for me to write table. Like your manual, there's a table there, so that is the table you will write. They already give you table. So you have H in centimeter, T, we have T1 and we have T2, which means for every measurement we'll do it 2 times. Are you following? We are going to do it 2 times. So you write the first one the first time on T1 and the second time on T2. Then T, you now find the average T1 plus T2 over 2. Put your answer. Then you have T. T is period. How do we find period? Period is found by T is equal to N over T. That is how we find period. Means period. To find capital T is time taken over number of oscillation. Time taken over number of oscillation. That is how you find your T. Okay, so following the instruction. So the first one I'm doing is when H is 100 centimeter. We are starting from 100, so that it will be easier for us. Instead of starting from 20, you go to 40, 60. So I want to start from 100. So from 100 to 80. So we'll now reduce it to 80, 80 to 60, 60 to 40, and then finally 20. So I'm starting from 100. So this one is when H is 100. Are you following? Now we are going to displace the pendulum bob. Make sure you are careful. So one person will hold this thing and another person will hold the stopwatch. Are we listening? So one person will hold the pendulum bob, or another person will hold the stopwatch. So that you will start it immediately the person drops the pendulum bob, so that the time will be correct. And remember, you are taking 20 oscillation. That is going to move to and fro 20 times. You do it again another 20 times. You record the other time as T2. So that is how you do it. Are you ready? Shift so that you not touch you. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Did you know you that I keep that thing? You shall
Alright, so now listen. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20. The first one was what? And this one is 42 points. 18. Okay. So that is how you will do it. 2 times. I'm coming. 2 times. So after you do for 100, you will now reduce the length to 80. So you use your meter rule. If you like, don't listen to me. If you do not set, receive no. So you will use your meter rule to reduce it to 80. So you measure. This is 80. This is 80. So you will roll it up. So when you are done with 80, 40, you measure 40, you roll it up. 20, 60, 20. So you will stop at 20. And remember, you are doing it 2 times. You do for T1 and you will do for T2. Any question? Any question? You can start. Talking about this thing. Yes.